Getting a peaceful, uninterrupted night of sleep is one of the most vital foundations for vibrant health, mental clarity, and emotional well-being as we age. However, millions of older adults struggle with falling asleep, staying asleep, or waking up feeling exhausted. Many people believe that poor sleep is simply an unavoidable part of getting older, but medical experts agree that this is a widespread myth. In reality, modern research from the National Sleep Foundation and Harvard Health shows that simple, everyday evening habits are often the real culprits behind nightly insomnia. Today, Golden Years Health is exploring 7 common sleep mistakes seniors make every night and how you can easily fix them to enjoy deep, restorative rest. Let us dive in and see how small evening adjustments can completely transform your nights. Rule 1. Spending too much time in bed awake. One of the most frequent mistakes older adults make when experiencing insomnia is remaining in bed for hours, tossing and turning in hopes of eventually falling asleep. Medical specialists from the Mayo Clinic explain that when you stay in bed while feeling restless or anxious, your brain begins to associate your mattress with frustration, stress, and alertness rather than rest. If you find yourself awake for more than 20 minutes, the healthiest approach is to gently get out of bed. Move to a dimly lit, quiet room and engage in a relaxing, low-key activity, such as reading a physical book or listening to soft music. Once your eyelids feel heavy and sleepiness naturally returns, head back to bed. This simple habit retrains your mind to view your bed strictly as a sanctuary for deep, effortless sleep. Rule 2. Watching television or checking screens before bed. Relaxing in front of the television, scrolling through a tablet, or checking a smartphone right before bedtime is a common routine for many seniors, yet it severely disrupts your body's internal clock. Digital screens emit high levels of artificial blue light. This specific wavelength tricks your brain into believing it is still daytime, which immediately suppresses the production of melatonin, the natural sleep hormone required to induce drowsiness. To protect your circadian rhythm, sleep researchers strongly advise turning off all electronic screens at least 1 hour before bed. Replacing screen time with gentle stretching, listening to calming audio, or practicing slow, deep breathing signals to your nervous system that it is officially time to wind down. Rule 3. Drinking too many fluids late in the evening. Staying properly hydrated throughout the day is crucial for kidney function and overall vital health after 60. However, consuming large glasses of water, herbal tea, or other beverages shortly before turning off the lights often leads to nocturia, the frustrating need to wake up multiple times during the night to use the bathroom. Frequent nighttime bathroom trips disrupt your deep sleep cycles and significantly increase the risk of accidental slips or falls in the dark. To minimize midnight disruptions while staying fully hydrated, drink the vast majority of your daily fluids during the morning and afternoon hours. Try limiting fluid intake 2 hours before bedtime, ensuring your bladder remains comfortable throughout the night. Rule 4. Taking long or late afternoon naps. A short, refreshing cat nap during the early afternoon can provide a wonderful energy boost. However, taking extended naps lasting longer than 30 minutes or napping late in the afternoon, such as after 4 o'clock, can sabotage your nighttime sleep quality. Long or late daytime napping reduces what sleep scientists call your sleep drive, the natural buildup of tiredness that your body requires to fall asleep easily at night. If you love taking a daily nap, keep it under 20 to 30 minutes and schedule it for the early afternoon, ideally right after lunch. This allows you to recharge your batteries during the day without stealing away your precious deep sleep at night. Rule 5. Keeping the bedroom too warm. As we grow older, our body's natural temperature regulation mechanism undergoes subtle changes, making us more sensitive to cold environments. As a result, many seniors tend to pile on heavy blankets or set the thermostat to a cozy, warm temperature before sleeping. However, clinical studies demonstrate that your core body temperature must naturally drop by 1 to 2 degrees to initiate and maintain sound sleep. Sleeping in an overly warm bedroom interferes with this natural cooling process, causing restless tossing, night sweats, and frequent micro-awakenings. According to sleep medicine specialists, the optimal bedroom temperature for restorative sleep is surprisingly cool, around 65 to 68 degrees Fahrenheit. Keeping your room cool while using breathable, layered bedding allows your body to regulate its temperature comfortably throughout the night. Rule 6. Relying on alcohol or heavy evening snacks. Having a nightcap or enjoying a heavy, rich snack close to bedtime may initially make you feel drowsy, but it heavily disrupts your sleep architecture later in the night. While alcohol speeds up the onset of light sleep, as your liver metabolizes it during the early morning hours, it triggers fragmented sleep, frequent awakenings, and vivid dreams, while suppressing restorative REM sleep. Similarly, eating large, heavy meals or spicy foods right before bed forces your digestive system to work hard when it should be resting, causing acid reflux, heartburn, and digestive discomfort. Try finishing your main dinner at least 3 hours before bedtime. If you feel hungry later in the evening, opt for a light, easily digestible snack like a small banana or a handful of almonds, which naturally supports sleep without straining your stomach. Rule 7. Lacking a consistent daily sleep schedule. Going to bed at wildly different hours each night or sleeping in late on weekends disrupts your body's master biological clock, known as the circadian rhythm. As we age, our circadian signals naturally become somewhat weaker, making a predictable daily routine far more essential. Irregular sleep schedules confuse your body's hormone production, making it difficult to feel tired at night and alert in the morning. Medical experts emphasize that waking up at the exact same time every single day, even on weekends, is the most effective way to anchor your internal clock. Exposing your eyes to natural bright sunlight shortly after waking further reinforces this rhythm, helping you feel genuinely sleepy at the same time every evening. Transforming your sleep quality does not require prescription pills or drastic life overhauls, just small, mindful adjustments to your evening routine. By identifying and fixing these 7 common sleep mistakes, you are giving your mind and body the incredible gift of natural, deep, and healing rest every single night. Which of these 7 sleep habits do you plan to adjust tonight? Let us know in the comments below, as we always love reading your experiences and personal healthy aging stories. If you found this video helpful and insightful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Golden Years Health for more daily wellness guidance, and share it with someone you care about. Stay healthy, sleep tight, and see you in the next video.